Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to instantly update your inbox in Outlook. This is a really handy feature when you're waiting for an important email and don't want to rely on the automatic refresh intervals. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and can see your inbox displayed on the screen. This is your starting point for forcing a manual refresh of all your messages. Once your email has been loaded, to instantly update your inbox in Outlook, navigate to the Send/Receive menu. You'll find this located on the top part of your screen where all your main tools and menus are positioned. Click on Send/Receive to access the options you need. Once you're in the Send/Receive menu and your tools have opened, you'll notice the process of instantly updating your inbox in Outlook is quite straightforward. Simply click on the Send/Receive All Folders button and it will initiate an update process immediately. This command tells Outlook to check all your email accounts and folders for new messages right away, rather than waiting for the scheduled automatic check. Now, if you want to monitor what's happening, click on Show Progress. This will give you visibility into how the update is proceeding. An update window will appear on your screen, and from here you can see the current progress of the inbox update you've made. You'll be able to watch as Outlook connects to the server, downloads new messages, and syncs everything. Simply wait for all the updates and processes to finish. Depending on your internet connection and how many emails are being downloaded, this might take just a few seconds or a bit longer. And that's it. You've successfully forced Outlook to refresh your inbox instantly, ensuring you get the latest emails without any delay. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.